Hi YouTube, please give me a moment while I connect to Facebook. We'll be getting started shortly. I think we should be live on Facebook. Hi everybody. Happy holidays. Hope you had a great Thanksgiving and welcome to our weekly broadcast. I am Sami, Director of Education at T3 Live. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over the market. I'll go over my swing ideas with you. But before we start, as always, a standard required disclaimer to let you know that trading is risky and that whatever we discuss in this video is for educational purposes only. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to download the free ebook. Link for that is in the video description. Without further ado, let's get going. Please be sure to hit the like button if you found benefit in today's video, and then if you have any questions, email us info@t3live.com. So last week the market looked like this, and it looked like we were breaking down, and we just needed basically really one red bar to take us lower, to clear the support and to trigger a 1 2 3 on the daily chart. So this would have been a 1 2 3 and a break of support. Instead, we got bought, and we continued to get bought over the course of the week. I was bearish, thinking we were going to be lower, but the market never really broke down at all. It never triggered to the downside, and it proved me wrong. Now the market is turned very, very bullish all of a sudden. So the bias is back to bullish, but the timing is a little bit difficult. You know, as far as, like, let's say on Monday, should we be all out bullish? It's difficult, especially when it comes to the IWM, which is up so much already. So we could easily pull back. What would be ideal is if we got a pullback or a base, and then once the 20 MA on the daily catches up, then be bullish then. But no doubt the market has turned back to bullish, and the bearish bias has completely evaporated. That doesn't mean Nvidia, for example, is now back to bullish. It isn't. It's weak, looks a little bit lower. It's ultimately probably not going to drop that much, but it definitely doesn't look higher at all. So again, when I say the market is bullish, I don't mean, you know, every single big name is going to be bullish. Goog, super bullish, but it's extended. It could easily come in a little bit, which means the market could also come in a little bit. But the overall bias, longer term, should be back to bullish. As always, I posted my entire daily watches for Monday in the video description. These are just the items that I want to go over with you that I think look a little bit more interesting than the rest of them. But because the market is up several bars in a row, 5 in a row, it's going to be hard to find something that is not too late, or, you know, that looks perfect. Most of the time, after a big move up, you have to wait a little bit for a correction in the market before proceeding to play long. Having said that, here's the AMGN long stop. It's a big stop, but that's okay. That's okay, because I wouldn't want to do a tight stop right now anyway, right? So AMGN over the base, stop below it. BRBR, here's a tight base, looks really pretty. How much of a target does it have? How big of a target does it have? Is it going to rally just to here? Is it going to rally only to here? That's the part that's difficult. Otherwise, it does look good. It looks good also on the hourly chart. That's a really nice base with higher lows and equal highs. So that's a pretty nice base on the BRBR. It might be the prettiest chart that I have on this list here. FTV is looking up. It's not perfect. Hasn't based long enough for the 20 to catch up. This is the 20, you know, so I would have liked it. I would like it more if it can base for a bit longer, but over the base, stop under it. Target up here, the prior high. ILMN, I've liked for a while now, and I talked about it in last week's video. If you took it, it looks really good. Looks good, maybe to 155. This bar's high, 153. So it looks good. It triggered already, but any pullback, this should also be okay still. IOVA is trying to transition. I'm not sure it's going to be able to do it because you got the 200 above, you got resistance above, that's resistance. But it's a nice hourly chart. It does have a nice hourly chart. So over the base, stop under it. on the IOVA. MLTX played it on the breakout and then trailed out of it on this day or that day. It went back up. I would like to see it base for a few more days, but I'd like to get back in it because it has almost unlimited potential, almost unlimited target. The 3M, I also would like it to base a little bit longer, but that's a nice breakout over here. And now it's up and it looks like it wants to pop one more time. It established a double top, so the break of the double top would be nice. Long stop under this bar's low. On the 3M, PSKY is in the process of setting up long as a weekly buy setup. That's a deep pullback, but it's trying to move up. I'm going to watch it over the coming days, but I don't think it's quite ready just yet. The RPRX, long right here. Stop is tough because that's too wide of a stop, and right here might be too tight. But it looks nice. It does look higher. It does look higher. Just a tough pattern overall. SFM was the hottest stock in the world. I was going to say in the country, in the world. And then it collapsed, of course, as they often always do. From 180 to $80, right? 75. Is it ready to bounce back up to 100? It might be getting ready. Yes, it might be. So we just want to see it base above that curling 20. You see how price did not break down when the 20 MA caught up? That's a good sign. So now we want to see the 20 curve up and then take it higher. So the longer it bases, the more likely it is to have a successful transition higher to about $100 on the SFM. So I'm watching it. SLMT, it's interesting for a bounce back up, especially based on hourly chart. And the hourly is really the most interesting. Over 250 right here. Target maybe almost $4, 350, 373. So the hourly chart looks pretty nice to the red bars high on the daily, which is 373. The daily doesn't look amazing, but the hourly looks really good. The WDAY was the subject of a buyout, but it's been moving up a lot. It still looks higher over the base, stop under this pivot. So over the highest high, which in this case is 2420, with a stop under 2260. Onto the bearish list, we got the AVH, beautiful sell setup, short under 406, stop over 455. Okay, target the prior low. We have the NTNX. It's just that it's down a lot. That's the issue. But if it can base for at least one more day, then I would definitely play it short under the base right here, stop above it. But I'd like to see it go sideways for one more day to allow that 20 MA on the hourly chart to catch up. And then possible short. We have the STUB, which is a daily sell setup. It would have been better if it didn't trigger already, meaning if the red bar didn't take out the green bar's low, if it would have done this, you know. So here's the initial drop, and if it had stayed within the range of that green bar and then tried to go higher, double bottoming, and then failed, then it would have been better. But an alternative way would be to play it under that doji bars low with a stop just above it right here and target right there. It's a daily sell setup. The problem with the stub is that it came in a lot. So if we were to place a stop up here, we wouldn't have enough reward to risk. But what if we put the stop just over that doji bars high? Then it would be okay. It'd be more aggressive, but it would be okay. The TERN or the TERN might be ready for a turn, might be ready to come back in to earth a little bit as a pseudo climactic sell setup, I would say, under 2811 by 2950, and then target would really be about 2530 over here. Okay, maybe if the market comes in hard, which I don't foresee happening, maybe we get down to the 20 on the daily. WDAY is nice. We got a nice gap and then a daily 1, 2, 3. So short under 2014.40, stop over 2018.50. Also decent looking hourly chart. Again, under 2014.40, stop over 2018.50. And then ZS is similar to the NTNX, but much better. So this is similar to the NTNX. a gap down and a doji bar, a gap down and a doji bar, but this is better. And if it can base just one more day, it'll be perfect. Short under this bar's low, 249.68 by 256.33. Okay, or just can wait for one more doji bar, and then it'll become a 1 2 3 4 pattern, which would make it even better. All right, guys, that was it. It's just a short and quick and easy video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you find benefit from these ideas, and I will catch you on the next one. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye bye, everybody.